In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the PowerShell with the module of the AZURE to administrate the AZURE resource.
What must be installed? There is two alternatives. The base PowerShell product that come in two variants, the PowerShell on Windows and the PowerShell core on Mac OS and Linux. The second one is the AZURE PowerShell module. This extra module must be installed to add the AZURE specific command to the PowerShell. So I'm going to use this command line to install the AZURE module. The install module, the name is the AZURE, and scope the current user, that is my session, and the repository, the PowerShell gallery. So I launch the command. It's downloading the dependency, the AZURE and the AZURE account, the AZURE EKS, analysis services, API management, app configuration, app insight. So later to verify if the installation is well done, so you can execute this command get installed module, name is AZURE, and then you have the result. I have the version 5 for my AZURE module, or either you can use this command to install the AZURE or resource management. Install module AZURE R. So next, to connect to the AZURE account, you can use this command, connect AZURE resource management account, and then you have the input interface, and you can put your account .com. Then I can put my password and then connect. Okay, I'm gonna verify my identity. I'm gonna receive a code. Then when I put my code, I have the PowerShell interface is connected to my resource.